Hey everyone, and welcome to my class in fall 2020. I'm really glad to have all of you here, and I'm excited to get to know you this quarter. My name is Alicia Bones, and a lot of people wonder what I prefer to be called. I really do prefer you just use my first name, which is Alicia. Though if you prefer some more formality, you can call me Professor Bones. I don't really like Miss, and I'm not a Mrs., so if you can use either Alicia or Professor Bones, that would be great. And also, if you can let me know what you like to be called, if you have a nickname or a preferred name, I'm happy to use them. Just let me know and I will make sure to use those for you. So just a little bit about me. This will be my 5th year here at Green River. My second quarter teaching fully online, and probably many of you are maybe first time taking classes fully online. So it's an adventure for all of us. I live in Seattle, and some of my favorite things to do outside of teaching, I'm also a fiction writer. I write a lot of fiction, and I'm working on a novel right now, finishing it up actually. So that was my productive moment this summer. Other things I like to do are travel, which I can't do right now. None of us can. I like to read. I've also taken up my high school hobbies of painting and playing the clarinet this summer since we couldn't leave the house. And I also got addicted to a video game for the first time in my life. So not so productive, but we all need a break sometimes. So let me just talk about a couple of things about the course. After you watch this video, you'll read the syllabus for this class where you'll get all of this in writing, but I just wanted to talk through it a bit. The best way to get in touch with me is through my email, which I've given to you on the syllabus that you'll read. It's abones@greenriver.edu. If you write me an email, I will respond to it on weekdays within 24 hours. On the weekends, give me until Monday. So if you write me something on Saturday morning, I probably won't check it again until Monday. So please give me some time before writing again. If we have an essay due at 11:59 or a project due at that time, I probably will not be awake at 11:50 to answer your frantic questions. So please do keep that in mind. Other things, I will have office hours virtually each week. Those times and sign-up sheet will be available to you on the syllabus as well. So those will be listed there so you can find them. Other nuts and bolts, please keep in touch with me. This is a virtual class, so we don't see each other very often face to face. So if anything is you're having difficulty with anything with the class, with technology, maybe with things like having internet at home, I have resources for you if you just tell me that you're struggling. I can meet with you or I can refer you to student services. So the only way that you can really help yourself is to be in communication. So that is a totally fine thing to do. I absolutely prefer it if you are struggling to have you get in touch with me. So that is the first thing to say. Other things to say, this class is really organized on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday timeline. That means you won't ever have things due on Tuesdays and Thursdays unless you have a class that day. So other than that, no homework will ever be due on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Will never be due on Saturdays and Sundays. So that means you have some free time in between the class. You could always get your homework done early. But I just don't want this class to overwhelm your life. It does require quite a bit of effort and regular check-ins, but I also think it's important to take time off, to take a break, and you learn to use your time well. So this first week, all I expect are a couple of icebreakers from you, get to know each other on the discussion board, start signing up for the conferences that you'll have with me so we can meet each other face to face, and then you'll have one assignment to sort of get you oriented to the class. So I'm really glad that you're here. I'm glad to have you in class this quarter, and I think it's really going to be a lot of fun. The online environment may be new to some of us, but it gives us lots of different opportunities. So I think that the best thing that we can do this quarter is try our best, be open to exploring things, and just seeing where this online environment takes us. So I'm excited to get to know all of you, and go ahead and explore this Canvas course and get ready for the rest of the week. Okay, nice to meet you all. Bye.